basically this genre was very interesting because basically if we just abandon this genre, then it's quite a waste, because I thought that we should go into doing something with it. Maybe we can revive these genres and change it into different mode of thought, and maybe when do something with it, change it, and so let it make me more interesting. This is the whole intention, and I was thinking that maybe I could do something with it because because that was a very traditional, they would say that this is very outdated material. It's like there's no way you can modernize this stuff. And as I went along with the pursuit of this traditional material, it's getting more and more interesting to me as I went along with this kind of direction. And I found out so many things about the kind of material that you can work on. And so it ended up like most of the stuff that I'm doing now is that kind of material. So maybe because of the moment in the 70s or in the early 80s, everybody was trying to get a hand into the story of our city, and I was the one who hang around in fantasy, dreaming about my childhood.
But now we come to a period that I call the battle for identity.
Lies my grandma told me. Yeah, superstitious devices. Lies my grandma told me. What? Urban mythological rules. Bubble mice, yeah.
Salut les kids et bienvenue dans En attendant Godard, saison 11, épisode 30. Trierk est connu comme le cinéaste du chaos, mais de ce chaos, quelque chose renaît toujours, comme l'amour. Car cet amour est plus vif que l'éclair, plus léger qu'un oiseau, qu'une abeille. Et s'il fait boum, s'il se met en colère, il entraîne avec lui des merveilles. Ah, je l'ai pas.